Alright, I'm going to make a pair of earrings using these starfish. So first we're going to go ahead and put our starfish on. These are kind of thick, so I'm going to have to try to wiggle it until I get it shut. Oh, you hold it and you twist it. Twist it back. You're going to have to wiggle it a little bit because see, we've got a gap. I guess you can see. I've been painting. I didn't realize I had it on my hand. Now, I want to take one of these, take one of these glass pearls, one of these blue ones, and another glass pearl. Oh, and a big cap. There's a big cap. Might not be able to see it, but these are so tiny that I'll have to be able to use them for something. Now, I'm thinking of what I want to do with this. I'm going to cut it about a 1/2 inch up. Take my round nose, go out like that, wrap it around. Now you could leave it like that, but I'm not going to. I'm going to wrap this around about 3 times, and I've left a tail over here on this side. So we've got it like this. And I'm going to take, I don't know how many, we'll see. And these are sort of sand-colored crystals. Sort of a champagne color. Well, let me get them in my hand. And my wire's bent. And that's 28 gauge, or 28 gauge wire. So, 2 off. So how many have I got? This is a 6mm. These are 4, and I think those are 4mm bead caps, and we've got 6 3mm. And I'm gonna just wrap it around one time. Pull it tight. Now I need to get 6 more in my hand. And we'll take 1, keep thinking of that movie Pretty Woman whenever she's eating the snails. And she said they're slippery little suckers. These things, beads get away from you, and then the vacuum cleaner doesn't like them. I dropped it because I couldn't get to it. Let's see. Now, alright, now we got 6 on the other side. I'm going to fasten it down. I think I'm going to take it behind. Nope, I think we need to take it in front like the other one. And pull it as tight as we can. Take the other one, wrap it around. As tight as we can. Right, and then we're going to snip them off. And that's what we have so far. Let's do the other one. We need 2 pearls. That. And the 2 little bead caps. They're concave, so they fit around the bead. And see, a lot like that. We're going to go about a 1/2 inch above. Hold my wire so I don't shoot it across the room. Don't want to go to the ER with a piece of wire in your foot. Alright, now. So, let's see, where do we put our little wire? Take our wire. We'll divide it in half because we don't have much left. Really, we didn't need that much, but You just need about that much longer than what you're working with on both sides. So now let's get 6 more of these. Well, thought I pulled enough off, but I didn't. We're going to do 6. Well, try to talk quiet because I'm right here at the GoPro and I don't want to scream at you. So I probably need a mic. I don't know, I'm new to videoing, so I don't know. I don't know what I need exactly. I know I probably need more than what I've got. Alright, I'm going to hold them in my hands, or hand. See how many I've got there. I've got 6. Just like the other one. We're going to take it, pull it tight, and wrap it around just once right now. Let's get the other 6 on there. I hope I've got them in my hand. When I try to talk quiet, I sound like I've got a frog in my throat. I need a little triangle. Had some years ago, and I don't know if they've been thrown away or if they're in a box somewhere. Still have a lot of stuff in the basement that I haven't went through when we moved, so I don't know. Might be down in my other desk. Right. We're going to pull that up tight. For some reason it wants to lay lower than the other one. And we're going to go around the front like we did the other one. Pull it as tight as we can. And then we're going to start wrapping around the top of that. Take the other one and wrap it. I don't think the wire will come loose, but as thin as it is, it might be good to put a little drop of glue on it with like a toothpick or something, like an E6000 or something like that. I'm dropping everything again. Open at the back, twist it like that. Right, pick up the front of your pendant and go over so the back's hanging there. And twist it back. Make sure it's hooked. We'll do it again. Twist it back. You're gonna, I think I might have to move that one. We'll see whenever I get it on. Okay, how does it hang? It don't hang right. I'm going to go the other way because I think I loosened up my wires. Yeah. I got it moved. I'll just have to switch the air ring. Twist it back. How's it hang? It hangs right. This one hang right. Yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. And until next time, y'all take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Really helps me out. And until next time, bye-bye.